Hi guys, today I'm going to be demonstrating the effect of the Fenty Beauty Chili Mango Stick. This particular product currently retails for $25, as do all of the other matchsticks from the collection. Like all the other matchsticks, it does have a hexagonal shape, not to mention it's magnetic. When opening the matchstick, you do receive quite a bit of product. When using it as a cheek color, I have two techniques. First one being to apply it directly with the stick, or to take a little bit with your finger and rub it onto the cheek. Next, I like to blend it out with a beauty blender. This will ensure that it looks airbrushed and your application is very flawless. When using it as an eye color, I find that it's best to prep both lids with a little bit of concealer. This step will ensure that your eyeshadow doesn't crease throughout the day. Next, you're going to want to set that with some face powder. Using packing motions will ensure minimal fallout. The powder I'm using is the Laura Mercier Translucent Brightening Powder. I like to take the Fenty Beauty Chili Mango Stick on the tip of a dense packing brush before applying it directly onto the eyelid. Next, use packing motions over the eyelid to ensure a delicate wash of color. This will provide you with a soft orange tint. I like to apply my concealer last, not only to provide minimal fallout, but it's also the thing that wears out quickest throughout the day. I then bake the under eye using the Laura Mercier Translucent Brightening Powder. I also like to bake under the cheekbone to exemplify the contour. Don't be afraid if you end up looking something like Santa. When using Chili Mango as a lip color, I like to apply it directly over lined lips. The sparkly effect will act like a high sheen finish. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed and found this video helpful. If so, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.